guys, I'm Kola. It's my pleasure to have you in my math class today. So let's do it again. Thank you for coming on the platform. So we are having another topic to treat, which is interest, simple interest. Actually, we intend to work on compound interest, but just a quick review of our simple interest because we need the idea in the compound interest. That's why we just want to have something to do with it first before we go into the compound interest. So interest, what do you mean by interest? We refer to the whatever thing that we receive from goods or items that we provide. The reward that we get from goods or money that we provide for somebody or for something. Whatever thing that is put on it as a reward, as a return on that goods or money provided. That's what we call the interest. Now, this time around, in working out the simple interest, we have a formula which is the simple interest equals to the principal times rate times time over 100. So the principal is the goods or the money provided, okay? That is the principal. While the rate is the percentage of the interest. It could be, okay, if I give you a money, you will pay me 50%. 50%. So the percentage profits, the percentage of the reward to the goods or money provided is called the rate. Okay, while the time is the duration with which an item or money or goods are given out. Okay, the duration, that's what we mean by the time. So you are going to multiply everything and divide it by 100. That's what to find the simple interest. And you don't need to write the long notes for the formula. There is short form of it, which is I means simple interest equals to P. They use the first letter R times T. Okay, so P times R times T over 100. Okay, so this is the short form of it. Some people can even go further in saying that, okay, the I equals to PRT over 100. Have you seen how it is analyzed? Okay, so I believe you have gotten this. So let's apply this formula to a question that could be given in finding simple interest. Let's write a question on the board. Okay, so the question like okay, find the simple interest on 6,250. Okay, 6,250 for 5 years at 8%. Okay, so this is an example of the question that could be given under simple interest. So in the formula, all those terms, they are already present here, just as we did in substitution, where we just used all those figures, the items, we supply them in the formula and we work it out. That's what we just do here. So when you have a question, first thing you do is just write the formula. The I equals to, I believe by now you know the I means the interest, equals to PRT over 100. So I equals to principal. What's our principal here? Okay, so let's write those things out. The I, we don't know. Put question mark. The P, which is our principal, find it first. That is this. The principal is what is, I've defined it. So this is it. You write your 6,250. Okay, and then what's our R? The rate. Always take note. It will have percentage sign. That is the rate. So write 8%. Then of course, with no time, we always be expressed in months, days, or years. Or years. So this one we're having 5. The time is 5 years. Okay. So with what we have done, let's now use those things in our formula. I equals to, what's our P? Okay, P is 6,250. 6,250. Okay, times, what's our R? 8%. Okay, and times, what's the T? The time for 5 years. Okay, so let's over what? 100 in the formula. So I equals to, if you multiply everything together, what are we going to get? Okay, so we get, let's confirm that. So we are going to get 250,000 okay, 250,000 divided by 100. That's what we get if you confirm it. Okay, so you can confirm that 6,250 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 gives you 250,000. So then over the 100. Hope I'm not in haste to get you what you need. Okay, so with what we have done in this place, let's continue from there. 250,000 divided by 100. Just let the zeros cancel themselves out. Is that clear? So what are we left with? I equals to 2. Since just the figures, since this is 1, so whatever we get up here is our answer. 2500. So if you convert this, it's going to be 2,500 naira. So that's our interest. 2,500 naira is our interest. I believe you understand this now. So having this basic knowledge, it will help you when we go into the deeper part of compound interest. Thank you.